I'm about to take you on a ride on how to make money on TikTok. Yes, on TikTok. TikTok can pay you for making videos. You can make money on TikTok. This video is going to be shared into 3 equal parts. The first part is how to be eligible to make money on TikTok. The second part is how your payments are being calculated. And the third part is how to actually make money on TikTok without TikTok being the ones to pay you. These are two different things. The first one is how TikTok pays you. Second one is how you can calculate your payment that TikTok pays you. The third one is how to make money aside from TikTok paying you. These are very different things you have to know. If you want, you can make money from the 3 of them. You can make money from 2. You can make money from 1. Anyone is left to you to decide. But me, as a creator and someone that knows it already, I can tell you things you can do. And you can do the 3 of them. You can do 2 of them. You can just do 1, which is just making money aside from TikTok. So yes, let us break this thing down immediately without wasting any time. The first way to make money on TikTok is how to be eligible. Let me tell you how to be eligible to make money on TikTok. First, you have to have at least over 10,000 followers on TikTok, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000 for you to make money on TikTok. Second one, you have to have at least over 100,000 views in the last 90 days on TikTok. That means 3 months, you have at least over 100,000 views for you to be eligible. Number 3, you have to be over 18 years old for you to be able to make money from TikTok. You have to be 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and above for you to be able to make money from TikTok. The last but not the least on how to be eligible is have to be in a country that requires creators fund, like the US and the UK. And those are the 2 countries I'm very sure that makes money from TikTok from just making videos, right? So if you live in other countries like Nigeria, Africa, Ghana, any other country that is not US and the UK, and you want to know how you can still make money on TikTok from TikTok paying you, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll elaborate more on how you can create an account that is from the US and other things for you to be able to make money from TikTok. So yeah, this is the part 2 of this video, which is how your payments can be calculated on TikTok. Payments are calculated in 3 different ways. One is by qualified views. Let me explain qualified views. You have to come closer and hear this one. Qualified views is different from just any random view. You can have at least 10 million views and the qualified views are 1 million. Yes, it's very possible because your retention in that video was not enough. Example, creators that have over 1 minute video long and people watch only 30 seconds, those people can count as a qualified viewer of that video. But when a video is over 1 minute long and people watch only 10 seconds or 15 seconds, the TikTok doesn't count it as a qualified view because they don't think the person enjoyed the content enough for the person to watch it only for 10 to 20 seconds. For example, you see all those TikToks on TikTok where they will be like, watch my video for, watch it to the end, watch it down, trying to make you to watch it to the end so that your view can count as a qualified view, not just any random view. Do you understand? So your view must be qualified. How can you make your view qualified? Make engaging content, entertaining content, and valuable content. That way, people can stick and watch a video for at least up to a minute or more. That way, it can count as a qualified view and you can make money. Another way that your payments are being calculated is by RPM of your region. If people that watch your videos are from the US, your RPM will be very high. People that watch your videos are from like a different country, the RPM will go to very low. So you have to like check the RPM of people that are following you to be able to know how much you can likely make. And you can also tell me, you can also drop the comment in the comment section if you want me to tell you how you can make your videos go viral on TikTok and how you can be able to monetize your content to make sure that it's going to a particular kind of destination and to have a high RPM and make more money. Another way your videos can be calculated as a legible video for you to make money is if your videos are found on the For You page, which is probably known as the FYP. If you tell people to go to your page and watch your videos, you will not make money from it because it is not counted as an eligible video. Your video must be found on the For You page. If it's not found on the For You page, it is not eligible to make money. It is assumed that you manipulated the system or you're forcing people to come and see your videos. It must be a willing act. So you have to make sure your videos are on the For You page for you to be able to make money. That's why I always say, come to me, send me a DM or comment in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to make sure your videos are always on the For You page or the FYP so that people can watch it and it can actually be monetized properly. And that thing you can make sure is that make sure your videos are over a minute long. Once your videos are over a minute long, you can make money. If your videos are within 58 seconds, 59 seconds, 57 seconds, you cannot make money. Even if the video is valuable, you cannot make money from TikTok. Your videos must be over 1 minute long. If it's not more than 1 minute, you cannot make video. If it's 1 minute, you can be eligible. If it's not more than 1 minute, you cannot be eligible. And yes, that is the second part on how to make money on TikTok. The third part on how to make money on TikTok is by other sources like growing your audience, creating partnership with brands, like being a brand influencer, promoting for brands on your TikTok. If you have grown your audience to a large audience, you can be able to make partnership with brands like Puma, Nike, companies in Nigeria like Oraimo, Itel. You can push these brands out for them and you can make money from partnership if TikTok is not paying you. That way, this particular criteria, you have to be able to grow an audience that engage, that are very active, that are very engaging, so that brands can see that your active followers are very engaging, so they can send you their product and you can make a review and you can get paid for it. And that way, by affiliate marketing, which is, I've said in my previous videos, on how to make money on Twitter. Yes, you can check it in the description. I've talked about affiliate marketing in those ones where you can get people's products and sell for them and make money, like a commission from it. Assuming the product is sold for $100, you can make a commission of $10 per $100. That means for any $100 you make from commission through your link, you collect $10 and the owner of the product collects $90. Like that's a partnership you have to create with the owner of the product. Another way to make money on TikTok is by selling your own products. Like me, I said in my previous video on Twitter, how to make money on Twitter. I sold my course on Twitter, how to grow your Twitter account, and people bought it. And that's my own way of making money on Twitter without waiting for Elon Musk or Twitter revenue to pay me. That's also a different route you can follow to sell your own particular product on Twitter. The same way you can do on TikTok, you can make a product, something you're available or something you know how to do best, make a product about it and sell it to your audience, and they pay you for the product you are making for them and the services. Another way you can make money on TikTok is by going TikTok live, where people watch your videos, gift you. If you're a creator that puts a lot of work, a lot of effort, your followers might decide to gift you a lot of things to make money on the TikTok live. If you spend at least a maximum of 2 hours on TikTok live every day, you're sure to at least make roughly over $100 on TikTok lives, because your followers will gift you for the effort and the work and the value you create for them. Emphasis on value. If you're not creating value for your followers or your audience, nobody wants to follow you, nobody wants to gift you, nobody wants to support you, nobody wants to like work with you. So if you're not creating value, the same thing with brands. If brands are not seeing the value you create as a creator, they will not value you that much. So you have to put yourself on a market of value. Another way is cross promoting. If TikTok, if like TikTok not going to pay you the way you want, or you have tried it and the pay is not like what you like, which I doubt, you can decide to like start a YouTube channel and vlog, and then tell your followers on TikTok to find you on YouTube, and then you can now monetize your own YouTube. Or if you like Twitter and you already have an audience on TikTok, you can now move the audience from TikTok over to Twitter for them to now watch or engage your post on Twitter. That one can make you money. That is what I call cross promotion, whereby the people on TikTok move from TikTok to Twitter and find you there and engage you there. And funny enough, if you're serious with what you're doing on other apps, you can still grow a different audience on that app. People that don't know you from TikTok, do you get? So if I'm to give my own personal advice on this whole criteria on how to make money, I will advise you go for the one of TikTok pay you, get a US or a UK account, get eligible, follow the criteria I said in the beginning part, and yes, you get eligible. For you to grow an audience and get partnerships with brand is a bit dicey, because these brands nowadays know how to run TikTok ad, Instagram ad, Twitter ad. Yes, they know how to do it. So they no longer really need influencers. But that doesn't mean an influencer is not good for a brand. That doesn't mean it. I'm not trying to say that brands don't need influencers. Brands do need influencers, but to an extent, they have to actually see you worthy to be on their partnership or their PRO list for you to be on that PRO list. Do you get? So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I always advise you make money and don't be sleeping around because or wasting your time, because there's a lot of money to make on social media. And I Buikem going to take you on a roller coaster of a lot of ways to make money on social media, from Instagram to TikTok to Twitter, Snapchat, all these social media. I can help you grow your following, help you, tell you how to grow your followers, how to make money on those social medias. Yes, I can do it, and that's why you have to subscribe to my YouTube account and drop a comment in the comment section asking me any question at all you think you're not sure or you think you want my opinion on, and I can make a whole different video about that, or I can reply in the comment section. So thank you for watching my video, and I want to see you on the next one. Please do how to like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. I will be glad to see you on my next video. Thank you.